Hello my lovelies, how are you? I hope you're all alright. Look what I've got today. I've got MelodySusie and this is brand new, this. It is plant-based gel polish. It's different, same idea with the Fleur-Wee, but different bottles, brand new. There's scents, lots of, well I think there's 7 different scents actually, from cinnamon, try and think off the top of my head, cinnamon, lemon, vanilla, lavender, oh dear, 3 more, oh, I can't remember, I'll try and put them up on screen for you. I can't remember, there might even be a sheet in here that tells me, I'm not sure. So let's have a look. Now, what they've sent me is a kit. So I'll make this live as soon as she sent me the link to it. Because I think this kit, oh, it's 10 pieces, I didn't realise. You can buy them individually. There are 60 colours, or they've got some kits with, I think it's 6, 10, 12 or 20 colours. So you can have a look. And a top and base. And I've been itching for a top and base that's in the same sort of formulas. So yeah, I'm thrilled to bits with that. The point of these is they are, look, it shows you on the back of there. They are, no, doesn't show you on there. Anyway, they are HEMA free or HEMA free, HPMA free and TPO free. Plant-based. Oh, look at them. Oh, they've all jiggled about all over. But I think they're really cute bottles. They really suit the fact that they're plant-based. Product catalogue. Shows you. Oh, that's the Fleur-Wee, look. So I've got some of those. So these are like these, HEMA, HPMA and TPO free. 21 toxic free substances, so that means heavy metals and stuff like that. Yeah, that's those. So these are that new, they're not even on this sheet. Yeah, they're not even on here. So what's this one? Oh, the usual stickers. Yeah, so there are the social medias if you want to have a look for them. Let's get cracking, get some swatching done. So let's have a look at this. Rounded brush. It's quite a thick base gel. I wouldn't say that's scented. It's got a little bit of a smell to it, but nothing really strong. And the top coat, slightly thinner. Oh, that smell. Oh, I don't know, it smells a bit mentally. Right, so I'm not going to bother base coating. I don't want to waste anything. But I'll give these 2 coats. I'm not sure on the number system. I'm sure they know what they're doing. But the very long numbers, so like I said, I don't know whether they're going to be numbers like this or named yet, flower names or something, because when the Fleur-Wee started they'd got numbers on and then they ended up with names. So B2101, and then we've got the same prefix B2102, but then this goes to B22, then I've got 1 and 4 and 6, then B24, I've got 2, 6, 9, and then I've got B2615 and B2801. So not quite sure how that kind of works. It's not like 1 to 10. Just get my lamp ready. Oh, I'm all fingers and thumbs today. We've been out today. We've been out to see. It was a bit of a mistake, really. Phil was booking to see the last Mission Impossible. Is it Final Reckoning, I think they call it? Yeah, and he was going to book it for Thursday. And he'd made a mistake or they, I don't know what had happened anyway. It come back and said, here's your tickets, you've booked for today. So it was like panic stations, get your shoes on and get to the cinema. Anyway, I enjoyed it. Look at that. B2101. Lovely, that's just the one coat. And I'm going to do 60 seconds. Yeah, grey. Very nice. Not really fluff of her. Oh, that's a nice grey. What? Oh, that might be cinnamon. It's not strong. I don't know, my sense smells terrible. So that's the grey one. Now, I think this is a dark brown, B2201. To blow these, I think. That's right. Oh yes, very dark brown. Goodness, it's like melted chocolate. So this one's B2204. Lovely sort of coffee colour. Because I think I chose these really because it's not going to be long until we're doing autumn nails again. I'm sorry about that, but summer always seems to fly through, doesn't it? Just realised I've had this one in this lamp, this 2204. It's no wipe. It's a no wipe formula. So that's nice. So I don't even need to use my top coat just to save these on the, what they call it. Again, another milky chocolate colour. Have I just done the same one? Oh, that's thrown me now, that. Oh, 2204 and 2206. Well, it's definitely darker. Oh yeah, it is. Oh dear. Using these sort of lights, it's a bit of a pain sometimes, isn't it? I will top coat them, just so we can see them shining and see the difference. Well, so far, I don't think they've got the same scent as the Fleur-Wee ones. They were definitely scented flowers. I could smell that all the time I was painting them. But they're not as strong a floral scent, these. To be honest, I'm not as bothered about the scent as the fact that they're HPMA and TPO and HEMA free. So let's have a look at these neutral colours. That's those two. So B2402. Let's put them side by side because the tops looks like these are going to be quite similar as well. So move that. Make sure I've got them in right order. So, ooh. Oh, that's floral. So maybe they go like, maybe that is the sort of cinnamon, and then we're going on to the florals with this. This is a beautiful pastel pink. Definitely a 2 coats. Yeah, floral hints on that one. So that's those 2. And B2406. Oh yeah, more beigey nude. Again, I can smell the floral in that one. So 60 seconds on those. Now these are the 10ml bottles. Somebody said to me the other day about when they're in 10ml bottles, because we're kind of getting used to 50ml bottles now and things, aren't we? But to be honest, like I said, if it was the nude or something that I really fell in love with, then I might be missing a 15ml bottle. But I'd sooner have a 10ml bottle that I can buy lots more colours in because they're more reasonably priced. Do you run out if you buy 15ml bottles? Or run out if you have 10ml bottles? I've very few 10ml bottles that I've run out of. I think in all the time I'm using them and I'm doing all the videos, I think there's been 3 that became a favourite. But I'll just get another bottle in those ones rather than thing. But there's 60 colours here, so I'd sooner make them more affordable. That's my thing. What's your thoughts? Are you a 10ml or a 15ml bottle lover? I think 7's a bit small. I do think 7's a bit small. They're more like sample sizes to me. But, yeah, I don't mind a 10 at all. Let me know what you think. Do you think, like me, you'd soon have it more affordable and be able to buy more colours in it? Or would you only ever buy a 15ml? That's nice, that. I like that. It is different. I've got a pink of theirs on, but I've got one of the fleur-y colours on at the minute. Oh, is it this one? I've just used it. There we go. That's it. So, yeah, they're really flowery. P11 this was. I think it gives you the number as well as the name on the side. And then the P14 was the white at the time. Can't remember if this is now gardenia. That one definitely smells of gardenia, you see. But these were 50ml bottles. So that's those 2. Top coat those while the others are in the lamp. So B2409. I think I might have to treat myself to the bright coloured ones now. Oh, this is, no, it's a little bit more rosy than what I've got on. I've got, while I'm doing this, I tell you, I've got a discount code for the MelodySusie website. Yeah, so I'll leave that in the description box for you. I like the top coat. Look at that. That's lovely and shiny. I like that. Very nice. What have I got left to do? 2 more colours left. Smashing. So B2615. don't know how long I've been on. I hope this is not too long a video for you. What have you been up to? Oh, look at that, that's nice. We got caught in the rain when we went to the pictures. Oh, when we come out, because we'd gone in the afternoon today for a change, and Phil had said, we'll go now because the kids haven't broken up for some holiday for school yet. That's just one coat. Look, that's gorgeous. Oh, I like that. Oh, I bet that looks gorgeous with chrome over it as well. I forgot what I'm saying. Yeah, we got caught in the rain, but it was lovely. It was warm. I said, well, I'm not made of sugar, because he'd got a little Mac with a hood on and I didn't. And I said, I'm not made of sugar, I'll not melt. It's what my mother used to say to us when she wanted us to go out playing. Get your son out, you won't melt. Yeah, so it was really quite nice and refreshing. Plus, I didn't have to water my garden, so that made a change. We have a hose pipe ban on in Yorkshire, so it's taking about 10 watering cans from my water butt, for the bit that's left in my water butt, to water my garden. So, what's this? V2801. Oh, that's rich. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, that's lovely. That's like a perfect teal colour as well. Oh, I like it. So here we are. So we've got the really nice blue and the bluish grey. So that's their numbers. We've got the browns. So this is like taking you from summer into autumn. So those are the 3 colours of those. Very nice. Like I said, these blues and greys are my favourites. I do like those, but I'm not so much for going for brown colours anyway. But these are pretty nudes. I like this. Love these, both of these. B2402 and 2406. And then we're heading down the scale. So all these will go together really. So 2409, 615 and 2801. So, have you got a favourite? I think they're lovely. I like the bottles, they're unique, brand new, smashing. Let me know if you've got a favourite, and also let me know, do you buy 10 mils or do you buy 15 mils? So, the Flurries are 15, got a stronger floral scent. If you don't want so much of a scent, these are less, but they're lovely glass bottles. So, thank you so much again, MelodySusie, for sending me these through. I can't wait to try them. Yeah, gorgeous. Check out the other colours. If you do buy any, let me know what you buy and let me know what you recommend. So, take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you've enjoyed the video. If you press the bell, you'll let you know. It will let you know when I upload. So, thanks again to everybody for watching. Take care. I love you loads. I'll see you soon. Love you.